If you're constantly bloated, in pain, or tired for no reason, your kitchen might be missing these 5 powerful anti-inflammatory ingredients. And no, it's not just turmeric. Wait until you hear number 3. Hey friends, welcome back to Home and Haven Living, your go-to space for natural living and powerful home remedies that actually work. Before we jump in, hit that like button and subscribe for more natural health tips every week. If you're tired of dealing with inflammation, joint pain, or bloating, and you want to ditch the toxic pills and processed products, this video is exactly what you need. Today I'm sharing the top 5 anti-inflammatory ingredients you should always keep in your kitchen. These aren't just trendy. They're backed by science and loved by holistic health experts around the world. First up, turmeric. This bright yellow spice contains curcumin, one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory compounds on Earth. According to a study published in the Journal of Alternative Medicine, curcumin is just as effective as over-the-counter drugs, without the side effects. Try it in teas, curries, or golden milk lattes. Just pair it with black pepper to boost absorption by 2,000%. Next is garlic, your immune system's best friend. Rich in sulfur compounds, garlic fights inflammation and supports heart health. Research from Harvard Health suggests garlic can even reduce markers of chronic inflammation. Try garlic-infused olive oil for salads or drizzle it over roasted veggies. Delicious and healing. Coming in hot, ginger. Used for centuries in Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine, ginger reduces inflammation, relieves pain, and soothes digestion. A study in pain medicine showed it was as effective as ibuprofen in relieving menstrual pain. Add fresh ginger to smoothies, tea, or stir-fries for a daily anti-inflammatory boost. Number 4, cayenne pepper. This spicy powerhouse contains capsaicin, which reduces substance P, a chemical that carries pain messages to the brain. It's also great for improving circulation and metabolism. Start slow if you're sensitive to spice, and always use organic. And finally, blueberries. Tiny but mighty, they're loaded with anthocyanins, compounds that reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. Studies show they can improve brain health, heart function, and even muscle recovery. Add them to oats, yogurt, or just eat them fresh. Let's recap the top 5 anti-inflammatory ingredients you need in your kitchen. Turmeric, garlic, ginger, cayenne pepper, blueberries. Want a bonus tip? Combine turmeric, ginger, and cayenne into a morning shot with lemon juice for a powerful anti-inflammatory boost. If you're serious about reducing inflammation naturally and creating a toxin-free lifestyle, these 5 ingredients are game changers. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a weekly wellness video. Thanks for watching, and remember, your health starts at home.